I got a new tomato plant that I'm so proud of. I bought it from Buchanan's, which is a local nursery. They have a great greenhouse and a gardener in the greenhouse named Larry who grows plants for sale or feeder plants for sale from seeds. And I like it because I know Larry uses the right products in his growing process. You know, no chemicals. He's just using natural things to grow the plants, and that's what I'm all about. So anyway, when I bought it, it was about this tall. The whole plant was about this tall. This only been maybe 2 weeks ago. Since then, look how big this plant is. It came in a small little pot. I transplanted it into a bigger pot, and you know, I've been kind of feeding it a little bit. Didn't need much, but look how much it has grown. We have tomatoes already, little green tomatoes on here. We've got flowers, which is an indication of new fruit being born. But I'm keeping it in the house right now because in the garden, you need the temperatures to be consistently about 50 degrees and above at night, and during the day at least 70 degrees and above. And the way things are going right now in Houston in terms of weather, it could be April before it gets to that point. But if you do put them in the ground, in your garden, and you can kind of do a roll cover over it or something like that, which would be kind of difficult with this plant, it would help keep the soil and the plant warm. But anyway, I'm excited about this plant. It has grown so well, but I know it would because I know Larry and he produces really good plants. So anyway, that's a tomato plant that I'm growing and getting it ready to go in the garden for the spring gardening time.